Hey there, back at you once again, even though you have fully finished the 7 days to a greener website challenge. So give yourself a pat on the back and just celebrate that amazing feat. You have accomplished a lot. I really hope that you found this entire challenge helpful, easy, and straightforward, and a really great foundation and a resource to come back and reference as you're designing more websites. I don't want this to just be a one and done thing. Websites constantly change, we constantly change, and so do our businesses. And our websites have to keep up. So always feel free to come back to this challenge, reread the resources, or just, ask me more questions if you really want to. But if you are looking for a little bit more, because I know this was a 7 day challenge, so we could only accomplish so much, I just wanted to talk about what some of the next steps you can do and take. So some of the next steps, obviously, we have to go beyond images to make fully green websites. And part of that is going to be in code, and part of that's going to be in some other aesthetics. So if you want to learn HTML, CSS, and maybe JavaScript, definitely start with HTML, CSS. There are some really great resources out there. I know there's plenty of paid courses. One of my favorite apps has actually been SoloLearn to learn code. So if you are looking to do that, I recommend looking for some courses. I have personally not taken any, so I can't recommend any off the top of my head because I haven't taken them, so I don't feel good about that. But SoloLearn is an app that I have used quite a bit and I really enjoy it. If you are looking for more in the realm of how do you sell green websites? How do you make this into a business? How do you, deal with fonts and video and all the other aspects of a website? Then you might be in the exact right place. So while, 7 days, we could only do so much. I am actually building a green web design course that will cover some background and history of web design, some of the cultural ramifications of technology, and also the environmental ones. So really looking at, mining and manufacturing of all these parts that we use, and also racism and sexism that exists in the technology world, because I think that those are so important. And if we're continuing to look at environmentalism through an intersectional lens, then we cannot avoid those topics. So if you are looking to learn those and how to choose a green web host, how to make a strategy for your website that's inherently green and sustainable and user-friendly, how do you set goals for your website, how do you choose your fonts and use all of these new skills to convert into a profit, then I highly encourage you to join the waitlist for my green web design course that is coming up and will be released in 2021. I've been working really hard on it to get it to be where it is and get it to be where it will be incredibly helpful and just kind of the one-stop course for green web design. And I am intending to make this accessible in terms of price. You will always get lifetime access, and as technology and everything else changes, there will be constant updates to this course once it is launched. So it really is, once you have a seat in it, you will be set almost fully for your green web design career. At least that is the goal. So link is below. Yeah, join me there. I hope to see you. And if you have any questions about that, absolutely feel free to let me know. But yeah, until next time, I hope that you found so much value in this course or challenge. And I hope that you go back through every other web page in your website to make it as green as what your home page is. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me or DM me on Instagram. You can find me at Blue Raspberry Design. And yeah, just looking forward to continue connecting with all of you, and hope that you have a great green web design future in your websites or your clients' websites. So until next time, yeah, See you later.